Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the story of how a guy survived being drowned and perishing in the middle of the ocean for over 4 hours.
Hola. Come to the ladder, come to the ladder, come to the ladder. Hold the ladder. Hold the ladder. The white.
Go to don't white finish.
Hold the ladder, Try. Try the first time.
I know this.
Right. Somebody come again. Run, come. Somebody come again. Somebody come see. Hold this. Wait, hold that life free.
The story of this guy shows that God is not done with anybody yet. Can you imagine his boat capsized at about 12 p.m. He was able to actually survive on his fuel tank for over 4 hours in the middle of an ocean. Damn.
You already survived.
They come up.
Oh yeah, they climb the ladder.
Small.
This guy will rescue him for inside the water.
Small. Don't worry, they come. Drop the thing down more. Hold that thing. Hold this live one. Hold on. Go back to hold on. Just leave the ladder. Hold that one. Hold on. Hold that one. No worry. Hold that one. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Just hold that thing. Hold on, man. Bro, carry for hold your foot very
They want to slack the ladder, but there the guy can come in. He can climb the ladder. Okay. Wait, hold on first. Let them tie the ladder. Wait first. Let them secure the ladder.
Thanks for watching guys. Please share and like and subscribe to keep somebody's hope alive today. Thank you.
Thank God.
Sleep. Lay like that, straight like that for grab bros.
Thank God.